Disaster strikes. Dirty dishes tower like a mountain. I stare, overwhelmed, hands trembling with dread. Soap bottle slips, splatters everywhere. Total chaos. Sponge, torn. Bristles, flattened. Hope, gone. Why does dishwashing always feel like a punishment? I sigh, already exhausted before I even start. My family calls from the other room. Dinner round 2. But the sink is a battlefield, and I'm losing. My hands ache, slippery with soap and defeat. I try scrubbing, but the grime just laughs. Why does grease cling like a stubborn memory? My favorite pan, ruined by burnt cheese. I almost cry, staring at the sticky disaster. Is there no escape from endless scrubbing? I wish for a miracle, just one small victory. Suddenly, a package arrives. Amazon's iconic smile. Hope flickers. Could this be the answer? I rip open the box. OXO Good Grips. Soap dispensing dish. Scrub brush. It gleams. Ergonomic handle promising comfort. I examine the built-in soap dispenser. Genius. No more slippery bottles, no more wasted soap. I fill the reservoir, anticipation building. With a gentle squeeze, soap dispenses perfectly. I grip the handle, non-slip, secure, effortless. The bristles look tough, ready for battle. I press the brush to the pan, instant suds. Grease surrenders, sliding away without a fight. No more endless scrubbing, no more frustration. Even baked-on messes crumble beneath the bristles. My hands stay dry, comfortable, pain-free. The brush glides, transforming cleaning into satisfaction. I tackle every dish, plates, pots, glasses, effortless. Soap never runs out mid-scrub, pure convenience. I finish in record time, barely breaking a sweat. The kitchen sparkles like a scene from a commercial. My family cheers, amazed at my speed. No more dreading the sink. I feel victorious. I realize cleaning can be almost fun. The OXO brush stands ready for the next round, replacing the brush head, quick, easy, mess-free. I'm prepared for every kitchen disaster now. No more ruined sponges, no more wasted money. The durable bristles last even after heavy use. I notice. No scratches on my non-stick pans. Every dish, every surface, safe and spotless. Even my kids want to help with dishes. We turn chores into a family game. I feel like a cleaning superhero, unstoppable. The ergonomic handle saves my wrists and fingers. No more slipping, no more soap accidents. I laugh, remembering my old struggles. Why didn't I discover this brush sooner? OXO's thoughtful design changes my daily routine. I love knowing the brand supports the environment. 1% for the planet, cleaning with a conscience. Amazon delivers fast. Prime perks make life easier. Free shipping means one less thing to worry about. Every busy family deserves this kind of help. Home cooks, cleaning fans, this is your secret weapon. Stop dreading the dishes. Start enjoying the results. OXO Good Grips makes cleaning effortless and satisfying. No more drama, no more mess, just pure efficiency. Imagine a kitchen where cleaning feels rewarding. That dream is now a reality, thanks to OXO. Don't wait for another dish disaster. Upgrade your routine. Transform your kitchen life. Click the link below. Order your OXO brush today. Experience the twist. Cleaning that feels like winning. OXO Good Grips, where comfort meets unstoppable power. Your kitchen deserves this. You deserve this. Try it now. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.